Hello, it is August 12th, 2022. It's Friday, and here is today's forgiveness declaration. I'm Luc Bouchard. I'm looking forward to sharing this with you. I forgive myself for believing that life is meant to be hard. Okay, what do we have to say about this? I forgive myself for believing that life is meant to be hard. That's what we grew up believing, right? That life is hard. And yes, life is hard. It can even get scary and feel unpredictable when we don't bring the Holy Spirit to see things differently. Bring it to the Holy Spirit to see things differently. It's time to choose anew. You know, the thing that when I wrote this declaration, it was really about this idea that life is a struggle and that, you know, you just have to endure and you have to go through. And part of that life being a struggle or life being hard is that constant need to prove myself, this belief that I have to actually constantly be doing things to actually justify my existence. And it's quite tiresome. It's quite tiresome because it's really based on the fact that you're not really trusting you're going to be okay, resourced, and taken care of. It's a belief that basically if what's the term? No pain, no gain. So that we actually have to work it. And it's our own agenda that makes it hard. It's our own agenda that makes it work, because if we're able to release and surrender and just go, what would you have me do? Where would you have me go? What would you have me say? And to whom? And just follow the prompts, it's not hard. These forgiveness declaration cards were laborious, but they were not hard because I was just following the prompts. I was just doing the next thing I was meant to do. And when they got hard is when I was doubting, is when I wasn't, you know, I didn't have faith it was going to be okay. And in 3 days marks the 1 year anniversary of when I was inspired to write the forgiveness declarations. That'll be on Monday, so I'm kind of excited about that. And yeah, I just it's the perception that we have that life is hard that we really have to look at. Is it? Does it have to be? Or is our beliefs make it hard? Do we have these goals and aspirations that we think we have to achieve, that we have to attain, because, you know, that's what our value is placed upon? Yeah. And this image was really quite befitting because, you know, here we have a barn, I think. I don't know what it was. I think it was a barn. Maybe it was a homestead. And you know, it's quite it's seen better days. I'm Luc Bouchard. Thanks so much for listening to this video, watching this video, and this my forgiveness declaration. And there'll be another one coming up. I'm not sure when I'm doing the next one, but there will be another one coming up. Okay, take care.